Drone mapping, unveiling the future of geography. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore an exciting and innovative topic: drone mapping. This technology is changing the way we understand and interact with our world. Whether you're a language learner or a tech enthusiast, this video will uncover the fascinating aspects of drone mapping. Let's dive in. Drone mapping refers to the use of drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, to capture aerial data. This technology combines the flexibility of drones with advanced imaging technology, allowing us to collect high-resolution images and topographical data from the sky. It's an intersection of geography, technology, and innovation. In this section, we'll look at how drone mapping works. It starts with a drone equipped with sensors and cameras flying over a designated area. The drone captures a series of images, which are then processed using specialized software to create detailed maps and 3D models. This process is known as photogrammetry, a method of making measurements from photographs. Drone mapping has a wide range of applications, from agriculture and construction to environmental monitoring and urban planning. It offers numerous benefits, including cost efficiency, accuracy, and accessibility. Unlike traditional methods, drones can access hard-to-reach areas, providing valuable data that was once difficult or impossible to obtain. Here, we'll explore how different sectors are using drone mapping. In agriculture, farmers use it for crop monitoring and land management. In construction, it aids in surveying and site planning. For environmentalists, it's a tool for ecosystem monitoring and conservation efforts. The versatility of drone mapping is truly remarkable. And that wraps up our journey through the world of drone mapping. We hope this video has been enlightening and sparked your curiosity about this groundbreaking technology. Remember, drone mapping is more than just flying cameras. It's a gateway to understanding our world better. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.